Fallbrook family knows firsthand just how devastating the incoming storm can be. Last month's heavy rain sent water flooding into their home, causing hundreds of thousands of dollars damage. 10 News reporter Michael Chen has their advice for other homeowners.
Well, we're in front of a storm drain, and as you can see, it's completely plugged up with roots and dirt. It is the stuff of nightmares for one local couple bracing for the rain. After 2 years in their dream retirement home,
it was a perfect house for us.
The unthinkable
It was like, this can't really be happening.
Came rushing in for Sandy and Bill LeMasters.
We're watching a little afternoon TV, and I looked out, and all of a sudden I noticed much more water than there should be. So I came out, opened the gate. Immediately, the water came gushing in.
Outside their Fallbrook home, a backed-up storm drain. Within 10 minutes,
You're really helpless.
the entire house resembled a lake.
The water had to be up to this level.
Inside the home,
And you can see what's happened to all the walls in the house.
more than $200,000 in damage.
Making me angry and scared for my family.
In the weeks that have followed, a search for answers. Bill showed us where the drain ends, just beyond his house. The pipe stuffed with debris. This is how buried it was before it was recently dug out. The couple hired lawyer Evan Walker.
Our current understanding is that this is a county pipe on a private golf course, and we're also looking into who designed the pipe and the overall drainage system.
Walker says with everyone pointing fingers at each other, the pipe remains clogged.
My fear is that this, if it happened again, based on the way the house is now, it could just take out the rest of the house and it would be impossible for us to recover and repair it.
Michael Chen, 10 News.